How well do you know your Quilt Jeopardy?
How well do they? Let's find out.
Hello, and welcome to Quilt Jeopardy. I'm your host, Hannah, with Fabric Cafe. Let's meet our contestants. First off, we have Donna Robertson. Not only is she a great designer, but she can also rock a short hairstyle.
Ooh, I hope you like my doo-doo.
Yeah! So say hi, Donna.
Hello.
Perfect. And then next we have Fran Morgan. She is the queen of matching fabrics, and she's one classy lady who likes to take 4 limes in her Topo Chico. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
And then last but not least, we've got John Nossel. He is fluent in 2 languages, English and PSE, and he's also learning ASL. Give us a wave, John.
Hey, everybody.
So how are you guys feeling about our game today?
Nervous. A little in the dark, but
Well, it's going to be a lot of fun. So there are 4 categories, each with 3 question levels. Each question has a different amount of points that you can receive. The higher the points, the more difficult the question. Okay. Whoever gets the most points will be crowned the Quilt Jeopardy winner and the Fabric Scrap champion.
ooh.
We'll see what that means later. And then you will each get an opportunity to select a category and question level, but all of you have the opportunity to buzz in. So Donna might select a category, but all of you, once I have asked the question, will get the opportunity to buzz. No buzzing before I finish the question. I will not let you answer it then.
Can we touch it before you finish asking the question?
You can be prepared. I will accept that.
Okay.
Yes. If the person who buzzes in gets the question wrong, the other 2 contestants will have the opportunity to buzz in and try to answer it.
Okay.
Your categories are quilt history, which is questions about general quilt history, 3-yard quilt patterns, questions specifically geared towards 3-yard quilt patterns, video fun facts, questions about past Fabric Cafe videos, and Hannah trivia, which are questions about me and my quilting journey.
All right.
So it's going to be a lot of fun. I hope everyone at home plays along with us. See how many questions you get right, how many points you get. All right, so to kick us off, Donna,
Okay.
you get to select your question first.
Well, I'm going to start with something I think I'm fairly familiar with, and that's 3-yard quilt patterns for 300.
Okay, your question is, what was the name of the first row quilt published by Fabric Cafe? Donna?
Checkmate.
That's correct! All right, 300 for Donna.
All right.
Alrighty.
Woohoo! Yay.
So normally in Jeopardy rules, the person who gets it right keeps on going, but we want to make sure everyone has a good old fun time today.
Okay.
So
Right.
we're going to keep on going down the line. But
Okay.
Donna's currently in the lead.
All right.
Fran, your turn to pick a category.
I am going to choose Hannah Trivia for 200.
For 200, that is, what was the first 3-yard quilt that I ever made? Donna?
So quick.
That's correct! All right.
Boy, I know more than I thought I
Buzz in
did.
faster. All right, John.
Let's do video fun facts for 200.
All right. What do people request to see in our videos more than anything else? Donna! Y'all need to be ready on the buzzer or something.
In case you don't know, I'm rather competitive, okay? Images.
That's correct.
Y'all love those images, and we love to show them.
Getting more and more every video.
I'm getting this adrenaline going.
I know. All righty. So we're back to Donna. Your turn to pick a category.
Oh, I get to pick a category. Okay, I'm going to go a little bit on the limb. You know, I know a lot about 3-yard quilts, but quilt history, maybe. So I'm going to go for 200 on quilt history.
All right. So your question is, quilters will often get together and work on quilt projects. These are commonly called quilt retreats. What was the first kind of...
Oh, I go too soon. I get so excited.
I think I'm going to go with Fran on that one
Okay, because I was first.
Yeah, I didn't even finish the question yet. You guys, I said that at the beginning. So
So before quilt retreats, it was the quilting bee.
that is correct. See, I'm getting excited every time someone gets something right. I'm like a proud mama or something. That's right, kids. So good. Alrighty, let's keep on going. Fran, your turn.
I will do 3-yard quilt patterns for 200.
All right. What was the top-selling 3-yard quilt pattern of 2022? John.
I didn't.
You didn't buzz? Oh. I was looking down too long. Fran.
Freedom.
That's correct.
Oh, wow.
I still saw it coming.
I went blank. Wow.
I went,
All right. Now, you get a bonus point option. If you can tell me what the second runner-up was.
Oh.
Old Glory.
That's correct. And that is worth 100 points.
Oh, thank you.
Cool.
So we're going to
awesome.
have a couple of those bonus points scattered throughout here. So it's
All
gonna be
right.
fun. All right, John.
Let's do video fun facts for 300.
All right. We introduced the Fabric Matchmaker series in February 2022. How many Matchmaker episodes have we posted at this point? Fran.
18.
So close. Do either of you want to buzz in? John.
17.
19.
19.
Has 19 gone live?
19's gone live.
Oh, wow.
That's a hard one to keep up with, so
hope
I
you
don't blame
enjoy them.
any of you for not knowing.
It's amazing, and that is one of the most popular videos that we produce. You
fun,
love
yeah.
it, and we do too.
So be sure you check that out if you haven't. It's a lot of fun. Donna.
Okay, let's do quilt history for 300.
What is this block called? Donna.
Churn dash.
That's correct.
You know what my brain was doing? It was going, is that shoe fly? Is that
Very similar. Very similar
very
block.
similar? Yeah, but churn dash.
Man, and when I was researching old blocks for this, there are some very intricate, fancy, cool blocks.
There are.
There
Woohoo.
Awesome.
Very impressive. Alrighty, Fran.
I will take Hannah Trivia for 300.
What pattern did I use to make a queen king size quilt? Fran?
Stepping Stones.
Donna?
All of a sudden I thought, no, I can't say stepping stones. That's what she just answered. Oh my goodness, Roman holiday.
No. Do you have a guess? There's a lot of quilts to guess from.
Well, I know
That's
you
right,
made it for
very
your
old.
mother and father.
I did. Yes,
That's what
that's
I
correct.
remember.
Yes.
Yeah,
What's
and it was
stepping
blue.
stones?
I
Seems like it
remember
was-
that.
City lights?
No. Good guess though. All good guesses all around.
Okay, don't know.
It was farmhouse chic.
Oh man, I'm not sure I knew that. Obviously,
It's been-
it was
well, it's been a
obviously
minute.
I didn't know that.
It was a beautiful quilt, though.
Yes, it was.
It was amazing.
And I remember so much about it, like blue and.
Yeah, I mean, you remember details. You know, that's almost, I think that's more important. You remember the details of it.
Okay.
Alrighty, John.
Let's do quilt history for 500.
Quilting has been popular for centuries. In what recent decade did quilting have a resurgence in popularity? Donna.
70s.
No.
No.
Almost. That maybe was too much of a hint.
Okay. 2020.
Well, yes, but no.
Let's go with the 90s.
It was the 60s.
Oh darn.
I keep
So
guessing the wrong
almost
side
the
of things.
70s, but
Yeah.
it like sort of came back. It was
Really?
like quilting.
Well, see, it was a resurgence for me because I
Yeah.
went to my first quilt festival in the 70s.
Hey, there you go. Well, and maybe if it was
Yeah.
early 70s too, it's
Yeah.
all
I was into crochet at the time. So.
alrighty.
Still just a glimmer in my mother's eye.
Alrighty, we've got 3 500s left on the board. So these are the more challenging ones.
Okay.
Alrighty, Donna.
Okay. I want 3-yard quilt patterns for 500.
What is a 3-yard quilt book that has no half square triangles in it? Donna.
Easy peasy.
That is correct.
Good one.
And fast and fun. So if you don't want half square triangles, those are the two.
Okay.
There's actually one more.
Oh, there's another one?
There's one more. Bonus point if anyone, 100 points on the line if anyone can guess what it is.
The book with no half-square triangles. Don't know.
I can guess. Is it Quick and Easy?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. We thought we knew our books.
It's a little hidden gem.
A hidden gem.
I can't think of which one it would be other than the two that we mentioned.
Can I whistle?
Can we consult?
Or just go for it, Fran.
Well, I can't.
Yeah, I mean, she can't. She's throwing you. She's
Yeah,
throwing
she's
you.
Throwing you a bone.
Yeah.
That's right.
Okay.
Kids book?
I like it when the kids get
No, 'cause
along.
the kids' book had pinwheel in it, didn't it?
We don't remember.
I don't remember either.
All right, I'll tell you. It is the kids' book.
Oh, it is?
You're correct. Yes,
Wow.
there
I
are
thought
no
the kids'
half-square
book-
triangles.
I
on the
didn't
book either.
remember that. Wow.
Okay.
I thought it had.
Oh my gosh,
yeah,
how many
something
books
like
now?
that.
No.
Yeah,
You know,
it's a lot.
It's hard to remember all of the patterns in all of the books.
Yes.
That's why we have the My Pattern collection sheet.
There you go.
That is so true.
So we can cheat.
It's too many to remember.
And naming them, my sister said this morning, she said, how in the world do you keep coming up with names? And I go, I don't know. I think that every time I have to come up with another name.
It's a lot. You use the thesaurus a lot.
I'm
A great
into
resource.
A lot word.
I'm into the synonym finder.
Yes.
I use the synonym finder.
Hey, if you've got any great quilt names, send them our way.
Yeah, we'll take them.
Let us know.
We'll keep doing great quilt patterns, and you give us some names.
Yes. All right, perfect. Fran,
Okay, I will take video fun facts for 500, please.
what was the first new book to make its debut on YouTube? Donna?
Quilt Jiffy. Quilts in a Jiffy.
No.
I have to think.
I know the answer. I know the answer. I know the answer. I know the answer. I think.
Well, maybe if neither of them get it, we can let you buzz back in. Fran?
I'm going to go on a limb and say Fat Quarter Fun.
Nope.
Okay.
It was before that. And I'm drawing a blank on the name. Its product number is.
Well, give us the product number. You can get half the points.
I mean, if you can give me the product number, I'd take it.
That would have been in 2020.
Uh-huh.
And that would have been.
If you can give me any hints about it, I'll take it.
Yeah.
If you can name me a pattern
its number was
that's in it.
2020 41.
2020, 40.
Yeah, 2041 are the last four digits of the book number. But I can't remember the name.
Let's check a book.
Let's check a book.
Because that would have been.
Well, it was after.
It was before
It was
Fast
before
and Fun.
Jiffy.
Give me that number one more time.
Yeah. 2041.
No.
I missed it too.
No.
So close.
I know.
One
Okay.
number off. But you do get a bonus point because
been
you
50.
answered the year it came out. So that was a bonus question. So you get 100 points for just preemptively answering my bonus question. The book was
lucky.
Quick as a Wink.
Oh,
Yeah.
And that was the 50, the one that ended in 50.
40.
Oh, okay. So
No
that was the
one.
50. Bummer.
So
Okay.
close, so close. All right, John, on to you.
Well, I think I'm gonna go with Hannah's trivia for 500.
Oh. All right. How many 3-yard quilts have I made? John?
5.
Nope. Donna?
7.
Nope.
Oh.
I'm counting.
Sister, mom, and dad.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I'll guess. 9.
Nope.
Okay.
I have made 11.
Oh,
Whoa.
wow.
Wow.
And
I had
Awesome.
no idea. You haven't been quilting that long.
I've been busy.
Yeah. And
Been getting in
3-yard
there.
quilts make up in a hurry,
They
obviously.
do, yes. I mean, you
Okay.
can do it in a day. All right, so I'm feeling especially generous, so I'm going to give you guys an option. I will give a bonus 200 points if you can guess 3 of the patterns that I have made. So, Fran.
So quick, stepping stones, and balance.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
right.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Alrighty, so we're gonna take a brief pause so that we can tabulate. Is that the right word? Add up all our scores. And tell me if I said the right word in the comments. So we'll be right back with our winner.
So we've added up all of our scores. And the winner of Quilt Jeopardy and our fabric scrap champion is
Donna! And you get this beautiful medal. It's fabric scraps.
And you too could win one of these. That is so cute, Anna.
Thank you.
Oh, that was so much fun. It was
really-
more fun than I thought it would be because I was kind of thinking, oh my gosh, what is this woman going to ask us?
So I'm curious, did you guys play along? And if you did, how'd you do? Let us know.
And if you'd like to see us do more games like this, let us know that too, and we can see what we can do for you.
Yeah, and be sure to hop over to fabriccafe.com. We just put up some great last chance kits, so you didn't see them today, but they're there, so go hit them up.
Check them out.
There, and like and subscribe.
Perfect.
It's Donna Robertson.
And Fran Morgan.
And John Nossel.
And Hannah with Fabric Cafe. Thanks for playing with us.